In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Far Cry 5 multiplayer campaign. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do the campaign fully on multiplayer in Far Cry 5, so you can do co-op and play through the entirety of Far Cry 5. First, this will be unlocked upon both players have finished the missions on Duchess Island. So to begin, both of you need to play the game by yourself until you have completed the Duchess Island's missions. After this is done and you have them completed, you will be able to access the online category. So go to online after you have completed those missions and the game is paused. Once you go to online, you will find invite friends, so this option at the right. When you choose this, the friends list referring to your platform is going to open. So if you are on a PlayStation console, you will see the PSN friends list. If you are on Steam, you will see Steam, Xbox, and Xbox. And all that you have to do is choose your friend, send out the invite, and you will be good to go. Now, you might be curious about crossplay, and sadly the answer is that as it stands today, Far Cry 5 does not feature crossplay. The only exception is if you have someone who is on an Xbox console and the other person is on a PC playing through Xbox. So if you purchased Far Cry 5 for PC through the Xbox or Microsoft Store, then you will be able to do crossplay because the friends list is going to be the same one. It is the Xbox or Microsoft friends list. But if you are on Steam, then you will not be able to do this because the Steam friends list is not shared with Xbox. So as it stands today, Far Cry 5 does not have crossplay. You are locked to the same platform as your friends. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.